mo bro hu for obu cherry for what I don't so nyame be nyame ba onye nipa nyen sechin sayem memfa ma distrem ma wanim ma wonni mi hwammota
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
Belongs to you. Answer by fire. This prayer.
Indeed, all power belongs to him. Good morning. Yada nyankopon na se aye na dom ne pe ene dey so wo de yen kwa che bie. Erade aye bi da enunti no ene dey so wama ade papa bi pa asache e. Na so se de wunim no ene eye Monday. Na Monday su edru so a wonim say ye de eye legal hour eba eye wa kwan eso. Na eno no 10 ebo ya na ya hyase ne ya sorry so eye 11 pepepe. Sabre wo hwe wo bre na eye 5 minutes past 10 ewo eye fidue mu. Make I will say aha eye GN radio. Na eye Ebacho say utie ewo radio no so na opese utie dwumadi a ukọ eye TUNEIN radio obetimi etie yen ede afri so na obetimi etie yen afri eye radio garden
na no etwem
afesi ya kwa website www.tuneinradio.uk.com live so ewo Facebook na ewo YouTube mi chese baby ya wo hose ye besomo ene anope aniti wa baso wo share se wo share your Facebook a me pa cho baso a like na e share fama yen pa Enti said ye winim no ye ne eye Abinelle Solicitors for na eye baba be Mondays bia na ye ba wa kwan so ye ne Abinelle Solicitors for eba be sumo efa eye immigration and sensem hu nyina enti ene dey said ye winim no no nduna board 10 so sunya ba na ye de dwumadie no ahyehye so enche bia mema eye lawyer akwaba na afei ene de wo hobia no ye de aba eye wanim eno ti sabre to safro nua fra wadan for catch ne say on fa na fidie ne nso eye GN radio UK na onti adwumadie meeting ede mama len ene metinam ede ama eye papa J ene ti ba bia wo biara tam kutu me ba sesi na afei mama lawyer akwaba na ede adwumadie no ahyehye so
nyame ba onye di banyan sechin sayam memfa ma distrem ma wanim
This is GN Radio UK.
In horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and molds my life. Some trust in chariots, others in horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and molds my life. Enti, meji wujo mire, meji wudi sa oya dienina sutumfo, odumfo ni mo brohufo, obu cherry fo adoya doso. Nyami be, nyami ba. Sechin sayem memfa ma distrem ma wanim ma wonni mi hwammota mechi wodo ewrade mechi wodi ade nyina sutumfo all power belongs to you my body yafu I want your breath way answer by fire this prayer onye ni panyen sechin sayem enti memfa ma distrem ma wanim ma wonni mi hwammota every say why every do why every do why every do nyame wodini aye biafo wodini aye biafo nyame wodini aye biafo nyame enti erade ya wadie ni bio yesu ya wadie ni bio erade ya wadie ni bio yesu ya wadie ni bio nyame ba onye ni panyen se chinsayem ma deshrem ma wenim ma wonni mi ramota endi erade yeah. Nan we tremwa. Oh yeah. The nansa slow sorry yeah. Eradi way na want to me yeah. Nyami
Yo, Eradi we na want to me yeah. Abinelle Solicitors for betimi aka wo how ne wonsem nyina ede ama obibie ni ho a omo entimi enye eno nti no ena no pay said ye wonim no emi aye ready lawyer emi aye ready enti ye ne lawyer ede baba be hihye so lawyer me pacho me hu pa obetimi atilt o camera no aha perfect that's a pa enti sabre de me nsebre no ma me emma aye lawyer akwaba na afeye mfadwumedie no enhihye so. Good morning lawyer.
Good morning.
Hey.
Good morning, Mama Lynn.
Long time no see. Hey.
Yeah, Papa.
Why a fair pie me?
Hey, David, I said, Mama Lynn, so bad. Me
Miss Young, say Jamende. Emi, me de minimo nebia na obi first time I all show any Mr. Wa we introduce who kakra na fe emfa dwumedie ne hihye so.
Okay, nti me friend me Amy Adiana Adai Dente. Me the sole practitioner war Abinelle Solicitors. Yeah, specializing in immigration and the family law. Lydia, we are in the heart of East London in Stratford, okay. And we work to serve the community. That is my introduction.
Oh, good. East London for where pa. Okay, right. Emi, and then me were a lot of questions and crofo ede abrea or mo pese ye bisa na wutimi yi ano ede ema wo mo na answer na no bibi o ha obepese wo de be hyase amaye na ebia update bi tape bi o ho no ma na say so pese yen go straight to crofo no questions ne so a and so no it's up to you.
Okay, I would say, sir, at the moment, there's a lot going on in terms of biometrics. Okay. The decision na but unfortunately, no biometric cards now more issue no. Unfortunately, na akoya bibia delayed. That is something I have been constantly being asked about. Over the past couple of days, I didn't know biometric na ache womun semsa. Some of the amount kwandi I didn't know sanka within the 10 days. Almost say womun sanka. Inti Mama Len and one say unsaka decision no na within 10 days. From buyer. So we fill a specific form online. A bit prompt you a bit remind you almost say a card need your sanka into card no from bra. So that is something I would want to urge the listeners say tools are and worry but you need to make sure because extra mile no insurance card no
okay, that's good. Okay, and yeah, said the lawyer ebie ni mani so akire no and a lot of questions about your kwan so mo pese ebisa lawyer na me sure say me hu biometric dey bi ewo mu na me sha se dey free yenua ewe ho no mo me ready ewo potokasa ne mu ye wi ana afi me dey abaye akasa mu na ya twetwe mu ama yenua no so so a omo so so be na so ati we say or say I arrived in the UK as a student in 1995, having been issued with a student visa by the British High Commission. I was subsequently granted indefinite leave to remain in 2002. My husband and 4 children currently reside in the UK, and they are all British citizens. I traveled to Ghana in October 2019, and I was due to return in December 2019 when suddenly my mom was taken ill. I am the oldest of my mom's children, and I am the only one to provide care for my mother. I tried returning in early 2020, but unfortunately, Ghana's borders were closed due to coronavirus pandemic. Since the borders opened in Ghana, I have not been able to return to UK due to my mother's deteriorating condition. I am worried as to whether my indefinite leave to remain status still holds. We ebidia ono so edia but all kan nyina ne say Oba ha say na oye oskuni oba ha say 1995 ni mu na oba na no oye student or the student na ebeba ebe mu na what's na so equal school na ye mano asetna ewa ha say indefinite leave to remain na de all kanyina na o 2020 2002 na ye mano indefinite leave to remain no na owo ekunu ne emma 4 ewo krom ha say a omusoso omoye British citizen na say omusoso omkita omo enkrata ewo ha say na o say otu kwan ko Ghana October 2019 no or Ghana na nka yesen ko sign echi eba December 2019 no nanso so no okokodruye no ne maame yare enu nti no amanenti mi amba esanse ono so na ne maame eba panyini ono so na ehwe ne maame no enu nti ne maame ne yare esa no amanenti mi amba December 2019 na oye senko obeba no na de course so ne say time oye me ba mpacho me because brofo ne na me de ba ye nkrom kasa ne mu kakra se de be ya ye nyina ye betimi ate ase na de all kan nyina ne say ono so na ye say ohwe ne maame na opese nka oba back 2020 no nanso so no se de ye nyina hu se coronavirus yare yi a eti se ba ye nti no na Ghana ye close border na obi antimi ntukwan enko baabia enu nti no 2020 no amana antimi amba nanso so no se de nyina anim ye bie borders ne tu mu ye bie tu mu no wantimi amba esanse ne maame yare enimu ebeye den enti no na enya de obetimi agya ne maame ne ho aba UK say no na adwena ye ne prekese because hu se ni indefinite leave to remain no still I be ho be kan na say ho enkan na enti we ne question na ode ebae no na asem nyina ne ha nyina nie na wo bisa question dey free mu say ode ba ye de ba potokasa no ma wo bisa say would I be able to travel to the UK on my current indefinite leave to remain stamp and no question ba kwa o bisa na question biem a also abisa biem ne say what application would I need to make to return to the UK? And also another question and also obisa. And then the third one also no, I wish to live in Ghana for extensive periods as I have lived in the UK for many years and then wish to gradually move to Ghana. What can I do to prevent my indefinite leave from lapsing? And questions no endorse said you can but the first one no the otu kwan call Ghana okokodru yes so no na ne maame yare a wontimi amba time I say so about why worried say bia ni indefinite leave to remain no ho be kan na question me to ede ma mpacho bibi o abetimi di aboye nwe wo wana.
Let me say this is a very important question because coronavirus by cause problems with the nipa kokagana maybe for extensive periods of time. Into the SAA say, of course, with indefinite no yenim say it's a 2-year period. Although say you can live in the UK indefinitely. Okay. However, there's a 2-year limitation period. Into almost say ukotina baby fufra any UK amine ukotina ho 2 years continuously unyamba back to the UK. Which I say will indefinitely to remain it may lapse.
Okay.
Internet just say you would have to make an entry clearance application again to come back in. The question now be say wait me the vigilant the stamp I want a passport no a cyber chrome ha the question is so be drew chrome ha the poor how comes on back to the UK within the last 2 years. That is the question I'm be bisano. And to allow there to be a smooth journey back to the UK my advice not to her say a returning residence application, which is an entry clearance application, back to the UK. sa returning residents no ombema o stamp biom ede ato passport mu.
Okay.
It is a ubedru asundremu a omusan bema o a card, a biometric card ubetimi agena as your indefinite leave to remain.
Internet said they are no returning a residence application now okay no. Na so be year free Ghana ho na wo no. And the ababe remu UK. Okay.
That's right.
So without that, no one to back.
Well, so Obakwa now obefacing immigration officer now no bisano the India was stay for 2 years consistently. No, it still shows an indefinite leave to remain has lapsed. Into there may be problems there with entry, or you would be without leave because it's like Omaje from same.
Okay.
In order to avoid that happening, the complications at the airports, no, anka utimi ye entry clearance application na, and no, ne do bebam asundrim.
Not just a me fan say, Emi we dey ask me bisa questions man. Me fan say, enye say bi my application ye refuse so na bibisa, enye bibisa, en basa. Okay.
However, no, there are certain things that maybe at the entry clearance officer no will be looking to see. If you look at the guidance and you look at the law concerning the area, no, first and foremost, no, in this case, they would want to see that you have family ties in the UK. Okay. So you, in this case, or when Kola or Nikunso, you're British. It's a no crutch, or family life or Krumha. It's our family ties in the United Kingdom. Apart from that, no crano. Who say when on returning back to the UK, the UK, your permanent home, would you be living here on a permanent basis? And there's so much evidence that you can show. Say, Uba UK Buma, you are here to stay. Ebiana wo ejuma. Ejuma no CZ, uko Ghana no ano a bit of a break. But no, they are happy to take you on. For example, other extended family members are omunye British, are settled, and also they have leave in this country. What for me part of a community or private life when down for obiawa with jumamu will be fie crowd timono our krumha. All of that evidence no so the entry clearance officer no returning residence application very successful. It's a very important say the beka.
Ene na ochia me awoni masem cause na waso a enti na me a wodo question by I believe say lawyer Emia answer ni nyina ama kama. But the third one no I wish to live in Ghana for extensive periods. As I have lived in the UK for many years and wish to gradually move to Ghana. What can I do to prevent my indefinite leave from lapsing? To say the same question, and also me patcho me hono betrim hono say adiamano.
Okay, I know you have a few options. It is say no dear why na dream said Ghana mo no pemo enye krom ha per se but
what's na hatch in terms of opese afedi nka okọ but I say nkakra na say o hwa na makọ Ghana kakra but afi pese me ko stay o hokra.
Exactly. It's possible. It's possible. Obetimi ayesa but ese will bear in mind say the 2-year period. So making sure say within 2 years no what's about UK view.
Okay.
The UK. What's now for an extensive period of 2 years biomwa sa semia na beto. It's me advice na say so we call Ghana for extensive periods bearing in mind say what catch on say have a permanent home it say usamba biom answer na sa 2 years na esi it will be to me akomumba entimi enye for more than 2 years.
Okay.
Biom no Mama Lynn ubetimi as well. We can also suggest say the patrono betimi atna say and make sure so oben naturalize it as British because on naturalize it as British of course part of the requirements they say obey how permanent home but only set period so free UK have eco Ghana betimi akasa alapse omontimi nkasa and one says so back to the UK say okay what did you go and do, why have you been there for so long now by no you don't have to go ahead do British passport and film it's a non so the flexibility kakra bem bad
Yo, yɛbɛda wase me na mekae wo sɛ wasukusu a wotie legal awaye ne Abinelle Solicitors for ɛna ɛtwetwe ɛyɛ nkɔmɔ wɔn yi asi wɔ sɛ adwuada bia ɔmo bɛba ba bɛsum yɛ ɛfa yɛ immigration questions biara ɛkyerɛ yɛn so na ɔmo aboa yɛ eyi ne nyinaa ano ɛde ama yɛ mesrɛ wa yɛgu so a yɛ ansa nkrɔfoɔ questions yi wo so betimi ɛde wo question aba na lawyer emi eyi ne nyinaa no so ɛde ama wo me the studio lines no to dwa ede ama say so opese wo frɛ opese wo bisa question a me sure wa number no ana numbers are you use no 0203 735 8820 ana say 0203 2860185 ana say frɛ wo WhatsApp ana WhatsApp my message and I say audio Fabra 0778-793-9958 and no yabeje bre yabeke kind of message ni na edi amount na lawyer year no fe na lawyer mame enko second question yenua so di ababedan yen na where they all trying say or say I was granted indefinite leave to remain in 2004. My indefinite leave to remain is in the form of a stamp in my Ghanaian passport. I have never had an issue with my indefinite status in the past. Recently, my Ghanaian passport expired and I went to the Ghana High Commission to renew my passport. Unfortunately, my employers on doing their checks have informed me that my status is not acceptable and they would need to see a biometric card to support my immigration status. We so yenua be maybe wono so na sema wode abreye. Na de all kan nyina ne say ye ma no indefinite leave to remain 2004 no. Na stamp no yedi bomu si ni passport ni mu de ma no na wose dada ni nyina wonya problem da eno ana ode anante ya de ko ba bia tu kwan ko ba bia na nanu ya na ohun se wo start nya problem se empo na dwumamufo na ni passport expire ni Ghana passport no expire na no na dwumamufo so start aso ne ko mu se there be enya dia say ye be accept said ye de stamp mum na de etim ubuku ni mu ama wo enti no asem no abeye dendenden de ama no because omo demand say omo hia biometric card ansa na omo etimi age atum na yamana koso aye na dwuma a wo ye na obisa say I have had an no question or the buyer no I have had my indefinite stamp for so many years. What do I do to get a biometric card? And no the first question I will be say no said you see ha no na you see engine stamp into no e dey no obeye na obenya biometric card ni bi me pa chowa and the second one so no what application would I need to make to get my biometric card and how much home office fee would I pay? And also idea no so hu hia ne say ye beje no esika say base or ye application na the enya biometric card na obetwe esika say na ede ama home office for aside completing the fee. Is there anything I would need to do? Or so question bi opeso hu say obetwe fees na wie bibi so wo hobi ma esese wo ya na me pa cho wa ye ni question ni.
Okay, Mama name does it. Yes, same way it's me too for bebre. Mati said there's problems. So Musa ko jumamu with the old Ghana book. Ebi I did there 20 years, and I said 15 years. I almost go back. Eventually, no ebi human resources. Beba back I catch almost say okay. I want to mean this is our passport maybe. And no. I said ultimately an application to ensure say card no so by then ultimately AGB. Okay. Now that card no is a no time limit. It's no time limit application. Can asim. Inti once ultimately application you put that application forward to the Home Officer for no time limits no. That vigilance, that stamp in your card. A biometric card so afeni die ukita card ukita Ghana book it is that stamp it will become more invalid now ukita card I say an unlimited time indefinitely to remain in the UK and that is what they would have to do. But Mama Lynn, there's a few things that Home Office say no time limits or bet me as succeeded on sa application no. One, the Ghanaian passport or what sa vigilant woman no, say or provided sa document no.
Okay.
But as well as that, no, now Abana said something like indefinite decision in 2004 no. Letter with a decision I say they've granted you indefinitely to remain.
Yeah.
If you have that in your possession, no, it is very helpful. So they no back home. Also, no, we here a valid passport. It is a Ghana book a war. Say we make sure say good one. So we make sure say we renew book with the Ghana High Commission. Now we the count application as part of other supporting documentation. For anything, they can ask for evidence of your residence, for example, into things like bank statements, P60s.
Lawyer, the who say or your application for biometric na me bwana.
That's right.
Okay.
That's right.
But what if say na dwumem ho no mo no? To say the who can letter na e de man no say ya ma indefinite leave to remain no. Obetimi de akwa kwakire dwumem fo no. No. Abra or mobetimi accept no. Maybe I will hold you on. Now or the akwa e bia biometric no.
That is a very good question. Yes. Obetimi this letter no actual employers. But apart from that, no, some employers are a bit more difficult than others. Some employers know they call still I your card no into person betie. If that be the case, so we make sure so a solicitor betimi aboa wo sa kwan paso because you betimi actual letter akacha say of course our indefinite no or was right no so obey a juma continuously until say the sabeka the biometric because right no dear and koi and CZ it's just said only card no so we can also communicate to the employer says that is what is supposed to happen but apart from that no crano there's something else I bet media account or bet me I can say well the employer's checker service I said sa letter no or ne details ne home office reference was on so mutimi call home office to check with the home office that our rights now or timidi ejuma it say it me pinpointed the employer say it more trauma say you have to take these steps to show say sani pakrona only ni ejuma no or right sa to me no or the be ejuma we UK
you meda wase lawyer Amy na ye koso a me pacho saso na wosu tie na wo hwe a obetimi ede o question aba na lawyer ayi ano de ama mesrewa wo de bantama na ye timi ayi ano ama obi o ho abonsi ya sori na ye se ye be sori no na afi na wo rush gidigidi esa obeka se mitiri mu ode so hu ye de breso na ye adwuma no ma mfa ko ana se ma read message abeka se mitiri mu ode matimi so me pese mitiri be de anopai eni timi mesrewa wo question bi ade bantam na lawyer ayi ano ama so pese ofra of course you can call na and also lawyer ayi ano e the amount numbers no me sisu bi mu the amount free 0203 735 8820 0203 735 8820 and na say 0203 2860 Mami WhatsApp call, audio or message fafa 0778-793-9958. Afe susuno Abinelle Solicitors for Mr. Wa. Me no kase ya no so pese ukoko hu omo okọ omasu na se mwabi wo ho apese omo boawa. Se de enua be ma bi si di omo ho adanse o platform ne so no nya asem keto gidigidi pa o Facebook. Or say me the framework or see good morning. I'm Charles and a living testimony to Amy and her team. They are very professional and respectful. I recommend her to all. Not just already yeah see dear dancing na sa pepe and it's intimi pachowa. Say wo mwabi wo how bi na pese Abinelle for eboawa. E pachowa fa kwadan wo omo numbers nie frɛ wo mo omo direct to omo place ho no mo said the kan no East London Stratford ankasa no omo wo omo okroma ankasa ho so afeye obo modin a ekọ ho no ma omo beboa wo na omo numbers office line no 0203 759 3309 0203 759 3309 eno office line no ana so betimi anya wo mo mobile so 07824 705 353 078 24 705 353 eno mobile a ofre wo ma mbeje so fefefe edi ama Mr. wo hwa de obetimi aye de aboa free say ye ba kwan so yi question anu ama one say obe like na wa share ama wonua bi so etimi etie bi na ono so afa afutuo de afri mu ebia na we enye ma ono ne question na wabusa no say wo question wo fabra ye be yi ano edi ama lawyer me to akoso a na we yenua esoso dia odi aba me pacho yenua no mo Facebook no mo questions no me read edi amount obi dia na me read sesi an nti no wo a me hu die no me read edi amount na mame emfa we na nsa na makọ Facebook ho so die no na yakoye nim e wasa kwan no so or say I was recently granted settled status indefinite leave to remain based on my EU spouse as we have been married for more than 5 years. To my surprise, I received my biometric residence permit and it was valid until 31st December 2024. I have always known that indefinite leave to remain is usually valid for 10 years. And you know, ono ne how pa kese pa no. Yama no settled status or they like a spouse near the amano na one ni ho kan na worry for 5 years na de no pa ne say when him say normally no nka 10 years na na nka ye de emma nanso so no we no yamano out to 2024 ne pa opese ohun say has my card been issued incorrectly or see should it not have been issued for 10 years or no a question or person no afe is there another way to prove my status to my employers and then other organization or so and also another question or person lawyer if I show you or no ne how ni
okay all right yes say no home office once uji sometimes will limited leave to remain, which is pre-settled status, or will settled status, indefinite leave to remain. No, issue with leave at ECOSI 2024, which of course for somebody waging indefinite, they need as well say, Obenian 10 years, come na, okita na dear, only home office in Niasem. I know the Papa said that is how it used to be, but I feel no dear. Home Office from 2020, I want to take a bit of a position, Kakra, because now there was something that was a bit technical to do with technology. Biometric no, but I'm banasano. I want me almost say okay. What they will do is they will do it for the 5-year period for now.
Okay.
However, no, you can the BB home, which is of course an advancement in technology. Almost say. You can prove your status online as well as it being by card. And he said, if you can prove it online, it's also a means of letting people know or organizations know, say, indefinite. And it can be done easily online. We'll log it onto the gov.uk website. Now, we will biometric card number. And I say, passport number, year, application, and date of birth, no, be screen, so say, you have been granted indefinite leave to remain anyway, which of course does not have a limitation period. Inti, the date in so indefinite nana wenya. Inti, that is a way ultimately prove it. But from now on, no, that is what they've been doing. They've been issuing it to 2024.
Okay.
To say who is something you would need to, of course, get a new card. But they are trying to make everything via the web, make everything move with technology. Now, to me, accessible via online.
Okay. Right. And I mean, call a Facebook or yenya ba bisu question or bisa or desire or say, can your British passport be taken away or revoked for any reasons, and then and what are the reasons? Intino pese or who say say betimi aje o passport free wunsem ana say bia bibisa na bibi o hwanti e benam so betimi aje free wunsem ana emi.
Yes, normally say British passport as a naturalization. The citizenship nankasano is more of it's not an automatic right or anything. It's given in discretion of the Home Office, based on your residence and so many other different requirements. However, it will really just be based on your conduct and your character. Let's say be very serious, a very serious offense. What committed? Home Office Home Secretary no feel say, oh no, based on the offense committed, it could be robbery, it could be murder, it could be theft, depending on the severity of the offense. Say because of that reason, or more revoke. But it also could be to do with the application to naturalize into maybe the fake documents into sort of fraud, misrepresentation. And then later, Omo realizes say, documents are already back forward. It shows no, indeed, these documents were forged, they were fake. And Honso, Ombetimiaka say, Omoji, everyone same. So Ebetimiaba say, part of maybe a terrorist organization, part of something that's very serious, and also Omotimishe, Eddie. So there are so many different things.
Okay. Yo, Ejewa, say good morning, lawyer. Good morning to you too, Ejewa. Yadamasimu mo joining your Facebook na Justice Upon. I'll say good morning. Oh, nice program. And then minim Becky. Then I'll say my visa. And not pen or buy. Okay. Mean to me who your person or chair or honomo. Afe mi gusu American kind a messages no. Me pacho me producer bi wo ho anu me read area ntino. Te said the all praise a mini team no my reader no area dada. Enti ye koya nimu a the obusa we say no sa pese ohun say or say can your British born child get a Ghanaian passport without doing a dual citizenship or no so ne question no. Emi, who will answer mano?
Can a British born child get a Ghanaian passport?
Yeah, or say can get a Ghanaian passport without doing a dual citizenship?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Providing say the parents no and also a Ghanaian no and ultimately prove this idea on the passport no be man.
Okay. Mame emfa eye ofrefue na afe we are beto eye questions no eso ede ama. Good morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Me pacho we din baby akase free so person obo din ku ade a.
Oh, yes, me din Richard.
Richard pacho akase free.
Me pacho me akase free North London.
Okay. Richard me pacho question my lawyer ne de hin.
Me pacho the question is when I'm for ko Ghana na or say me request a question man. Or yeah tourist visa. And or the na tourist visa no ye no or your first one no refuse no. The reason the man no or correct no. Not sign the second one. Second one is also almost refuse no. The reason some of the man they say me sikana one account no more no. Too much is visa because according to refuse and me kind no. How much I say or say or baby 6 days. Our tourists in order here. Na Nisika honestly no no yen adwuma. Nti no I say total sika one account near almost 500 million. Na den account ho. But all short forms no. Omo bisa ne say say na obo be spending. No so be spending 3,000. The 3,000 also no almost say like almost G because Nedumo yen say the whole year no be say send me the whole year no obenya what is 9 billion into no so mo calculate a month no that means say over be times 6 one salary na over be into impossible into a wrong expenditure or be something like that now me dream say me na me wo misika word adnemo na me say maybe this as ka way even though cause 500 million because me 300 million craft ma still be better now there I don't know mo chance like come refuse and it was maybe say scassem pan as or case be so short forms now on finish man said there be a home office 4 year way now.
Okay.
And conquer way Pachawa.
All right. Richard, what for me brain in but then lawyer, what's the question I say? Maybe hold on answer. Lawyer, what's the question I say? Oh, be a purpose of Bisana na so bet me the atoso.
I mean, Anka me person me bisa.
Debbie, Jinaso answer Richard. Try answer Pacho.
Anka me person Richard. Anka me person me bisa say or provide a source of funds no into or yes self-employed no or provide accounts and I say financial accounts. Check on your scan free.
Richard, what's the lawyer Busa no?
The Pacho David.
One thing. Lawyer Pacho, Sister Biam, I say, be a man, I'm a Betty there.
Into na me bisa say won say you self-employed no accountant better
Richard Jinaso na me hwese me tia na me maka kire no wati why em say won tell lawyer nkan Jinaso ma me patcho also you self there me patcho me
you self-employed no there na nka ye pese ye bisa ne say source of funds no our accountant bia what prepare profit and loss statement amano what prepare balance sheet amano what prepare cash flow statement amano I bet share bibia scan free eba
okay
bibia scan
Richard any person who say so o ka se nipa no ye self-employed enti o person who say ehefa na wonya ni sika ni free enti wo accountant bia ono na prepare wo niema statement ne ho hwan no account no ye hu niema ni nyina ma wo bibi sa ho ana nipa na wo osu obusa question ne ma no no
Dabi oni account bia oni
accountant bia
ona savings no ona na ordinary account no savings no that only company account no only like only company account no ona na one savings na yes can go only account bi ampa
okay I mean na asema no so oni bi nti no
okay inti social home office guidance no about visitors
fato so mama na etie bibia ni a me de lawyer number beto one tin yi na wakohu wo mo why ana wafre wo mo me da sepa you emi misro unya no ma no na yenko yenim
okay Inti say ushe home office guidance na what they are looking for and ushe law no concerning visitors visas no what they are looking for is they also want to know the source of funds because one say money laundering the BBI a problem ebia obi of course it may not apply to this person but ebia now there's money no is criminally no it's not money bia it could be that is what they may be thinking.
So
and they have the right.
Can free buy account in
Good. Exactly. Exactly. What you need to show is that one, the company is a legitimate company. They are registered company. No? A certificate of incorporation from Ghana. I just said company no or the BBA is been certified by Companies House. Apart from that, so VAT no. Any tax, so on your BBA, your friend of VAT registration certificate. I just even or Dimraso or Chiani VAT BBA come. And then moving into the financial accounts, no. So to me, even whether you have a business bank account or savings account, no. So to me, share BBA funds every eban. Into let's say or a trader, for example, and why 100,000 Ghana cedis in the month of November? And so to me, Chair says 100,000 Ghana cedis. No, sales. That is right. Yeah. It down a man come.
Mede emi number betu dwa mesro wa abomodin asa obefa na wakwako hunu no wakyerekire ni memu akyere wo na yakoye nim fefefe. Yakoye nim ana we efri enua Baraza eho say how long will I have to stay in Ghana if I go to Ghana if go to Ghana to apply for a spouse visa if I overstay me who the person watch me say the person watch ni say wo Ghana ho ondi say e wo ho no mo so person obedi say e wo Ghana say or apply for a spouse visa me say me nti ase brofo no me nti the person watch na say emi who the person watch no
Okay, okay, maybe or choices on your spouse visa, not or to me by UK, not or person go back to Ghana. They can correct us if we are wrong.
Yeah, please correct it
back
because
to
we
Ghana.
can.
Let me actually say. So when this spouse visa now or person go Ghana, yes, obetimi ako Ghana, but as I bear in mind, ne say ne spouse or yeah British. And also indefinite no or chrome hano or chrome ha still or no to her. The omu baby say if you're going for extensive periods, no, are you not staying with your spouse?
Yeah.
These are questions that they can ask you. Into yes, of course, we'll bet me for holidays.
Ono ankasa so the source. Sorry to say me cut you. Ono ankasa so the source. So someone says I will have to stay for a year before applying. Into no, I mean, him say beboa with the question. Na yen hu your person watch there. I just don't get it anyway.
Someone says they have to stay for a year. Okay.
What you say? What you
man
man into better say? I'm the from.
Okay. Into the other trend say ebia na wabahada wa overstay wa krom ha inti also go back to Ghana aware abemuno so tena Ghana ho for 12 months and all back.
Okay.
Well, if say what free krom have voluntarily inti enya abana na de wo call ye wa fa wo bags na
wow
back to Ghana. Yes. Then, well, yes, you can. What you would have to do is say you may be able to stay for 12 months.
I think say desire correct to what I say. Amaya, or see she means as a British person, how long should you be in Ghana before you can apply for your spouse? Nti no sana and so ayi so chere e wa ha say desire e chere ho say bia sa na ono person chere anyway.
Okay. To answer Desire's question, there's no set time. Untimi say what's not in chain 1 year and now 6 months. Ubetimi will be 1 month. Na odono wo ho a na o propose ya. Ubetimi ay application no amanaba. Inte no de so far as you can prove, said the relationship is a genuine and subsisting relationship. Who meet relationship criteria now? That is all that's important in this case. So there's no set time.
Andy Brown, or say Amy, you are doing great. Great job for mostly Ghanaians. Please keep it up. Internet so say about body a free Andy Brown honomo at the mouth. I will see how say Osha Brenna just 7 minutes to go. And Anamidi can say one for question about men reading in Tamaka Symmetry Modi. Miss Men share that we break questions. Me sure say meet me query and sana. Ya you may but then my fa Abinelle Solicitors for number and to ja email. Richard me pacho wa question is ye anu ama we ya frɛ wo na ekoko hu wo na omo emboa wo nyi question na no ma. Mr. Omo office line no 0203 759 3309 0203 759 3309 and as the mobile 07824 705 353 07824 705 353 and no Abinelle Solicitors for me patrol on office line mobile o pese o frɛ o ma betimi afrɛ o na how be a wo so bia no o mo etimi aboa you how nyina no ama afi we Mosha or say well done my lawyer emi no pay dey wo je fans pa no pay me ya jealous. And to know, remember no training me na you together. Mami he say me bet me the way question no I'm saying to me for questions ninya but mami for we encounter because what they buy ache yes ma so be shepa. Or say I got married to a French national in 2016 and was issued with a residence card in 2018 valid until 2023. I recently applied for settled status under the EU settlement scheme. I was granted settled status and received an email from the EU settlement scheme on 20th of November 2021. However, I did not receive a biometric resident permit. I did not receive a biometric resident permit. The person who said, why have I not been provided with a new resident permit? And a second one, how do I prove my status to interested parties such as an employer, GP or bank? na we nua bi so question na ono so ekire no so Amy ubetimi aboa no na anu ama no.
Okay, inti waka say waware French
yeah, also 2016 or ware no nya a residence card 2018 no valid ko si 2023. And so I apply recently or apply for settled status under the EU's settlement scheme. Or say I was granted near the mano. And unya email from a free a year EU for the honomo a year 20th November year 2021 unya. But then or say when ya a year biometric resident permit no na no no person who say I didn't na ya mano a year resident permit no. And no afa so kwan be no be fa so a obetimi approve say bia se bibi na adwumamfo busa no na ne GP na bank obesi dey no ne help Amy.
Okay, inti no dear omumano ne residence card in 2016 under the old rules no na ebetre say ebia still no sa residence card omude man in 2018 no still emre was so because that residence card will end in 2023. It is say or apply based on say on any spouse atna continuously for 5 years. Man indefinite no yes, but sa man card for abra sa card man for the residence card for 5 years no aka bese let's say bese 2 years or so sa man be exactly. It's a back, Mama Lynn, to the proving your status online.
Right.
Because although say on card, one ubenya email to prove your status, but you can also go online and prove it to your employers, your bank, your GP. I bet say who are indefinite leave to remain anyway. Right. It is our card no. So who emre was so that omunsa emma will be for maybe.
Okay.
So,
you abusia me brano eko me was just 3 minutes na Mr. wa mentimi enyi wo nsem na no ama wa nyame ya aduma next week Abinelle Solicitors ebesa ba wa kwan so biem na o question bi aka bia no Mr. wa ye be bomodin na yi anu ama sa so na betimi di aba se de crofo de ba no betimi di aba na ye de betwene ho no mo se nyame ya adum next week odi yenkwache beba be hia e wodwumedie so na ye wo nsem no anu nyina ede ama ye beka se eda wase pass ohwe ma menja platform ni ma Amy se kakra owa odi betwa to odi ama ye na ye dia story program ni so no Amy I mean enja ma bibi o hon ma odi betwa to ama ye ana.
Okay. Jamie be chat one say extended family members are under the old EEA regulations no. Abase almost sending me email recently say there omo cases no ebia courts no omo a coin say yes omo allow appeal no inti although say sa extended family members untimi nye fresh application no but omo ma coin say ubetimi aba chronomo because courts no can say ubetimi aba mu under the EEA regulations 2016 no Omosa sending me email say in Kofoni nya ebia eba said 30th of June no entry clearance officer no omwantimi and issue you with a card IHS or with a stamp in your passport IHS ubetimi abemu no because a lot of people received emails say although say courts no ama what we know case no they are not going to issue that stamp in your passport. But after no home office no and the entry clearance officers no they are coming to an understanding say masa extended family members no. If you are anybody or any part of those people are among fam mawono they are saying say for branding for documents ne brana fabeche and say the court allowed your appeal. Na say no omumma ho kwan so we joining with relative when UK. That is something I may personally did for. So who was sa position and now only mobia sa esena dia. Acho mun frey na mun bra na yentimi mpo was sa kwan paso. Na we be drew UK fair. That is the only thing I would want to leave you for this week.
Every day me huna na just say by force mama ne catchy den. na okay that's why I say Desire say good chat ladies, thank you so much Desire. But then message be egusa etwegusa or see Amy or see good luck to Abinelle Solicitors wey Theophilus. Theo, thank you so much. And now we see Amy, what a wonderful legal performance. Very impressive and extremely educative. And perfect explanation of the laws and more importantly, easy to understand. And the way Theo the other can't so no. And then what the fans say, me papa you free radio now, so now you say you free radio, but then you will Facebook. Me aje fans amana me ya Mr. Ma fans no. Man call one side and SCC ya bem but wait Mosha okay Brand Kokra kindly can you kindly explain some of these answers in English please, as some of us Nami adma you're very brofu no beba why darling J very brofu the amount emi dia me force no man ketri hia pass be ketri no do the kwa no ho sa na mani age nti evi ye beda wase say ene dey so no waba be boa ya be yi ensem ni nyina ano edi amaye nyame insure pa e wo sa kwan ne so ebusuafo emi ansa na me say goodbye ama no Mr. Wa say opese okohu eye Abinelle fo a omo numbers no me sisu biemu di ama se frɛ omo na said the year count for omo den utimi say omo to omo boase omo animote omo no be di nkomo omo beto omo boase tie wa asem na emwa bia so betimi e de aboa no omo e de aboa eno nti for omo number na contact wo omo na omo emboa e wo sa kwan so enti no omo numbers no call them on 0203 759 3309 0203 759 3309 and no omo office line and then mobile so no obetimi arechu omo 078 24 705 353 078 24 705 and no mobile Mr. Wa omo ewo East London Stratford ankasa and omo mu okromo ankasa and nti no kwa utim ko hwe ni so ade kra wo ho no mu from office awakọ hwe ni so ade Stratford de nema bebre koso wo ho pa nti na say aha and e didwumedie ne besie ni aka say thank you so much lawyer nyame adma next week ye be share medin ede mama lane aha ye GN radio na yeda masese uti unyan like na unyan share ya mpacho a ko like na e share fama ye nyame adma ye be sa e share biem na wo twe sene darling J ebeba betnemu ede ama me ana me kan say na darling J ebeba betnemu me na be boa no me na be so mu ma no ntino darling J bia obi a ye chia nti ha ya na edu besie ya crown ye do pa nti have a great day na ye be sa ato aso emi bye.
Highly spiritual.
Some trust in chariots, others in horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and molds my life.
This is GN Radio
Some
UK.
trust in chariots, others in horses, but I trust the one true God, the one who holds and molds my life.
You are listening to GN Radio UK.
Obuchere fu atoya doso nyame be nyame ba onye nipa nyense chinsayem memfa ma distrema wanim ma wonni mi hwammoda mechi wodo ewrade mechi wodi ade nyina sotumfo all power belongs to you my body fu I want your breath way answer by fire this prayer onye nipa nyense chinsayem enti memfa ma distrema wanim ma wonni mi hwammoda every say why I be do